Warm greetings from Goodley. Your life is a blessing, your memory a treasure. You are loved beyond words and missed beyond measure. Such vivid and heartwarming are the memories of our affable Dr. G.D. Singh Sir, the founder and managing director of Goodley Public School. Sir, we lost you untimely in 2013, which left us devastated. Ever since we at Goodley commemorate 7th May, your birth date, as Dr. G.D. Singh Memorial Inter-School Hindi Debate Competition, where a number of schools from Delhi and NCR participate. Unfortunately, it is not possible this year due to the lockdown. But nothing can stop us from remembering you on this special day. Our hearts are filled with memories of happiness and tears and numerous moments shared through the loving years we got to spend with you. Sir, your priceless guidance taught us that the secret of success lies in simple things like hard work and perseverance. Most bosses teach their subordinates to be efficient at work, but we learned to be happy at work. Efficiency was inevitable to follow. Sir, we have ever since worked on the principles of success, not learned from any cliché book, but from the lessons learned from the most inspiring story of your life. You not only taught us about our jobs, but allowed us to make mistakes and learn from them. And that helped us to grow as individuals, both personally and as professionals. We miss you immensely. You will always have a special place in our hearts as long as we live. The students of Goodley Public School offer their tribute on this auspicious day in their own special way. To Sir, with love.
जिन्होंने ना सिर्फ किया अपने सपनों को साकार, पर दिया हमारी सोच को भी आकार।
माटी के लाल ने माटी की सुगंध से सबको रूबरू कराया, हमेशा सच्चाई का ही मार्ग दिखाया।
साहस और मेहनत के आदर्शों को स्थापित किया, अपना पूरा जीवन सादगी में जिया।
तो आइए उन्हें नमन करें, श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित करें।
दिया अपनी सोच को आकार, किया अपने सपनों को साकार, एक आम व्यक्ति होते हुए एक ऐसा स्वप्न सजाया, विद्या को अपनी शक्ति, शिक्षा को मूलाधार बनाया।
We believe you are always here guiding and motivating us.
फल चाहे कितना भी पक जाए, अपने रस पे वो कितना भी इतराए, उनकी मिठास के पीछे हाथ होता है कभी ना दिखने वाली, सदैव काम करते रहने वाली कर्मठ जड़ों का।
उनका नाम गिरिवरधारी ही उनके चरित्र को सार्थक करता है। उन्होंने अपने संपूर्ण जीवन का सार अपनी आत्मकथा माटी की सुगंध में वर्णित किया है, जिसके कुछ पन्नों को मंच पर नाटक के रूप में प्रस्तुत करने का सौभाग्य मुझे मिला था। उनके कुछ शब्द ज्ञान की मशाल ले, सत्य पथ पर बढ़े चलो, जितनी भी बाधा आए उन सब से लड़े चलो, जीत निश्चित है तुम्हारी, आत्मविश्वास से बढ़े चलो। उनका शांत स्वभाव, दृढ़ निश्चय और प्रेरणादायी जीवन ही हम सब के लिए एक मिसाल है।
I feel honored that I have been asked to say something about Sir. It's difficult to summarize what he was in this short video, but one thing which is clearly evident from his personality was his love for the students. His spirit for doing well for the society, doing well for children is what resulted into this amazing institute. His love, his blessings and his inspiring word is what motivated us to do well in whatever we did. Today, what we are is because we started our journey of becoming someone from this amazing institute which he has founded. Thank you so much, sir, for everything you did for us. A very happy birthday to you, sir.
Hi, this is Karishma. I completed my schooling in the year 2013. It's been 7 years already, but still feels like months ago. I remember in school days, on special occasions like Independence Day or Children's Day function, Dr. Singh used to give speech in the morning assembly and he used to start a speech with Mere Pyare Bachcho. He was very fond of all of us children and was a great motivator. These are some of the sweet memories I have from my school time. I guess sooner or later all of us realize that school is the best phase of our life and we wish to relive it again.
My name is Muskan Khaneja. I completed school in 2013. I was a little girl of 4 years when I joined school, and those 14 long years have defined me as a person of what I am today. While I was at school, under the tutelage of Dr. Singh, I got numerous opportunities to hone my skills. He had an eye for creativity, he promoted competence, and he had a patriotic outlook. I would be highly obliged if I could ever get a chance to relive those memories again.
Hi, I'm Dr. Garima Khare. I completed my schooling from Goodlay Public School in the year 2001, and presently I am working as a scientist and faculty at Delhi University. First of all, it gives me immense pleasure to be part of this great institution that is Goodlay Public School, as it has contributed to a very large extent in whatever and wherever I am today. I had this opportunity to interact with Singh sir a few times. He was an extremely wise, humble, very polite and a highly motivating person. Remembering and paying gratitude to sir on his birthday, I would like to end by saying a few lines from one of his own books that was written by him, that life's battle do not always go to the stronger or the faster man, but sooner or later, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. And this perfectly fits to the man that Dr. G.D. Singh was. Thank you.
I am Ekta Chamdani. What all I can say about Singh sir is he was the man of values and knowledge who could polish any heart, any soul without even being noticed. He was humble, kind-hearted. I can never forget the comfort zone he used to give to the children and the students. So you always remain in hundreds and hundreds of hearts forever and ever. Happy birthday. I wish you happy birthday. Thank you.
शुभ्रवस्त्रधारिणि नमोस्तु शिकवा